Okay, students, good morning, everyone. As we have completed exercise 3.5 and yesterday we have started exercise 3.6. In that one, we the solve first six questions of question number 1, 7th and 8th are pending. We will start with this question number 7. Hope this question number 6 and 7 are visible on your screen. See, in these equations, as it is not in the form of linear equation in two variables. First of all, we are going to convert this in the form of linear equation in two variables. Here, in this first case, we can take let 1 upon x plus y is equals to u and 1 upon x minus y is equals to v. So this, by taking 1 upon x plus y is equals to u and 1 upon x minus y is equals to v, this equation will be converted into what? Then u plus 2v is equals to 4. This is equation number 1. And the second equation will be converted as 15 u. See, ये फर्स्ट वाले को और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो आप. Just a minute. If you observe this equation, 2 is common. तो 2 common है, तो 2 से यदि मैं डिवाइड कर दूं, it will be 5u plus v is equals to 2. Now take this equation as equation number 1. Similarly, the second equation, it will be 15u minus 5v is equals to minus 2. This is equation number 2. Now, by using any one of the method, you are supposed to solve these two equations. Suppose I am going to use elimination method. मुझे elimination यहाँ पे आसान लग रहा है, इसलिए मैं elimination कर रहा हूँ. बाकी आपको जो method से करना है, you can do that. If you multiply this equation 1 by 5 and on adding with equation number 2, you will eliminate this v. Just multiply this equation 1 by 5. Multiply equation 1 by 5 and on adding we have, if you multiply this equation 1 by 5, it will be 5 5 is 25 u plus 5v is equals to what? 5 2s are 10. And the second equation is 15u minus 5v is equals to minus 2. And if you add these two equations, this 15 plus 25 will be what? 25 plus 15 is how much? I think it will be 40. 40u and this 5v and minus 5v will be cancelled out. And this will be 10 minus 2 is 8. Therefore, the value of this u is 8 by 40. 8 5 is 40. That is 1 by 5. Any confusion till here? Anybody have any confusion regarding the solution of this u? जो हमने फाइंड किया, इसमें किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो बोल सकते हो अभी. Otherwise, we will move to the next topic.
No, sir.
Now, if you substitute this value of this u as pi in the first equation, it will be what? Pi into 1 by 5 plus 2v, sorry, not 2v, only v. V is equals to 2. This 5 and 5 is cancel out. Therefore, v is nothing but it is 2 minus 1 is 1. Now we got the value of u and v. Therefore, I have taken 1 upon x plus y is equals to u. U की value कितनी आ गई? 1 by 5. And if you cross multiply it, you will get x plus y is equals to 5. Suppose this equation is third. And I have also taken, we have taken 1 upon x minus y is equals to u and u is, sorry, v, and that is equals to 1. Therefore, x minus y is equals to 1. This is equation number 4. So on adding this equation, third and fourth, we can have the value of So y will be eliminated so that we can find the value of x, and after substituting the value of x in any one of the equation in third and fourth, you can get the value of y. So on adding equation third and fourth, we have क्या हो जाएगा ये x plus y is equals to 5 and x minus y is equals to 1. This one is cancelled out. 2x is equals to 6. Therefore, the value of x is 3. x plus y कितना है? 5 है और x की वैल्यू 3 है तो y will be 2 ना? Is there any confusion in this one? This solution?
No, sir.
Similarly, you can do the last one also. लिख लो ये.
Yes, sir.
Last वाला भी करवा देता हूँ. Just write it down. Okay, students, now moving to the solution number 7. In 7th one again, it is quite, sorry, 8th one. It is quite similar to that of question number 7. Let, I'm going to take 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to u, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to v. These equations are converted as, for this first equation will be what? U plus v is equals to 3 by 4. This is equation number 1. And the second one is what? U by 2. U by 2 minus v by 2. U by 2 minus v by 2 is equals to minus 1 by 8. And if you further simplify the second one, simplification में क्या आ जाएगा? यदि मैं सबको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं तो it will be what? या फिर हाँ 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ तो it will be what? 2u minus 2v is equals to minus 1 by 4. Is it clear? यदि बाद में सबको 2 से डिवाइड कर दूं, it will be u minus v is equals to what? minus 1 by 8.
सर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में 3 मल्टीप्लाई में जाएगा ना ऊपर?
3 मल्टीप्लाई कहाँ है?
सर u upon 3 और v upon 3 आएगा.
हाँ है 3 एक्स्ट्रा, मुझे तो नहीं दिख रहा है कहीं. यहाँ मैंने पूरे के
3x plus y है ना?
listen to me just a minute. कहाँ गया कर्सर? ये देखो यहाँ पे 3x plus y है. I have taken all 3x plus y. 1 upon 3x plus y को जब मैंने u ही ले लिया तो 3 कहाँ बचा? बताइए आप मुझे.
ओके सर समझ गया.
हाँ 1 upon 3x minus y को मैंने v ले लिया तो कहाँ से 3 बचेगा? 3 थोड़ी नहीं है बेटा, पूरे के पूरे को हमने सपोज कर लिया ना. यहाँ पे 3x plus y के अलावा 2 था कि नहीं, और 3x minus y के अलावा 2 था, इसलिए 2 बचेगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं था. Is that clear?
यस सर क्लियर.
अब ये वाला जो था यहाँ पे यदि हम सिंप्लीफाई करें, एलसीएम ले तो नीचे 2 आएगा. ये मैंने कुछ गलत किया है. 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो ये 2 4 हो जाएगा, फिर 2 से डिवाइड कर दोगे. चेंज तो हुआ नहीं, कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया है हमने. जस्ट अ मिनट. चलो ये यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है? दिस वन इज क्लियर. u by 2 minus v by 2 is equals to minus 1 by 8. Students, is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
एलसीएम लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? ये वही होगा जो गलत नहीं लिखा था, बराबर ही लिखा था. If you take the LCM of this one, it is 2u minus 2v upon 2 is equals to 2 कहाँ से आएगा? सॉरी एलसीएम में गलत लिया. एलसीएम इज 2, तो दोनों के नीचे तो 2 है, इट इज u minus v upon 2. दिमाग नहीं चलता, ऐसे ही होता है. It will be what? If you take the LCM is 2, दोनों के नीचे तो 2 है, it is u minus v upon 2 is equals to minus 1 by 8, and therefore this u minus v is equals to 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. This is equation number 2. Both equations are clear to everyone, or any confusion is there? Students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
सॉल्व कर दो. सॉल्व करने का मतलब दोनों को या तो दोनों सेम साइन है v में, तो जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट. क्या लिखोगे? सब्ट्रैक्ट सेकंड फ्रॉम फर्स्ट. Subtract first from second ले लो. First from second we have second को first from second पहले लिखेंगे तो क्या आएगा? u minus v is equals to minus 1/4 is equals to u plus v. सब्ट्रैक्ट क्यों करोगे? ऐड कर दो ना. चलो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया तो कोई बात नहीं, सब्ट्रैक्ट ही कर देते हैं. u plus v ऐड करते तो भी कैंसिल हो जाता. u plus v is equals to 3/4. Is it clear? अब सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो माइनस साइन माइनस साइन माइनस साइन. This u will be cancel out. This will be minus 2v is equals to minus 1/4 minus 3/4. It will be minus 4/4. That means minus 1. Clear है? minus 1 कैसे आया? Therefore v is equals to 1/2. Students, is it clear? The value of v.
Yes, sir.
And if you take this value of 1/2 in first equation, so you can get the value of u also. U plus v. V is how much? 1/2 is equals to how much? 3/4. And therefore the value of this u is 3/4 minus 1/2. 3/4 minus 1/2 is equals to how much? 3 minus 2. 1/4 आएगा. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now moving to the next. As we have already assumed that 1 upon 3x plus y. As we have 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to 1/2. And 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to 1/4. So this will be what? 3x plus y is equals to 2. Equation number third. And 3x minus y is equals to 4. Equation number 4. Now on adding this third and fourth, on adding this third and fourth, we have क्या हो जाएगा? ये 3x plus y is equals to 2 and 3x minus y is equals to 4. This y is cancel out. 3 plus 3, 6x is equals to 6. Therefore the value of x is 1. And if you substitute the value of x as 1 in the second, first one or third one or fourth one, therefore this 3 into 1 plus y is equals to 2. Y is nothing but it is 2 minus 3 minus 1. Therefore the value of x is 1 and the value of y is minus 1. Any confusion in this one? Hope it is clear to everyone. Students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
देखो फिर एक्सरसाइज.
सर y की भी 1 ही होगी.
-1 हुई ना बेटा. 3 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 ना. देखो यहाँ पे
सर 2 को उधर ले.
आप कहीं भी ले जाओ बेटा. आपको कहाँ ले जाना है? चलो, क्या नाम है आपका? What's your name?
सर पीछे आंसर.
पीछे आंसर क्या आ रहा है?
x और y दोनों 1 है.
x और y दोनों 1 है. पीछे ऐसा दिया है. x plus y is equals to 2. कहाँ 1 है? देखो, मुझे भी दिखाओ. सब देखो, वेरीफाई करो सब. -1 ही तो आएगा. y is equals to 6 1 6. सही है ये. 3y plus.
सर आपकी आवाज क्रैक हो रही है.
आप क्रैक होने दो. आंसर पीछे वेरीफाई करो. -1 नहीं आ रहा है. और किसी को मेरी आवाज आ रही है? स्टूडेंट्स, am I audible? Students, am I audible?
सर आवाज क्रैक हो रही है आपकी.
Students, am I audible to everyone now? Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
देखो बेटा, हमने क्या लिया है 1/3x + y इज इक्वल्स टू u, और यहाँ पे u की जगह पे मैंने v की वैल्यू रखी है 1/2. ये 1/4 यहाँ पे आएगा, 1/2 वहाँ पे जाएगा, देन इट विल बी करेक्ट. सी, इसको मैं सही करता हूँ. यहाँ पे चेंज होगा, उसके बाद सब चेंज होगा. Okay, now 1/3x + y is equals to, I have taken u, and the value of u is 1/4. 1/4 will come here and 1/2 will come here. This equation will be 3x + y is equals to 4 and 3x minus y is equals to 2. This is equation 3rd and equation 4th. On adding, therefore 3rd plus 4th, we have 3x + y is equals to 4 and 3x minus y is equals to 2. ये cancel हो गया. 6x is equals to 6. X is equals to what? 1. अब ये 1 रखेंगे हम फर्स्ट थर्ड वाले इक्वेशन में. तो 3 into 1 plus y is equals to 4. Y is equals to 4 minus 3 is 1. Is it clear? The value of x and y both are 1 now. It is clear now, or still any confusion is there? I have just क्या बोलते हैं, exchange the value of u and v. That's why I am getting x is equals to 1 and y is equals to -1. उसको आप सही करोगे तो you'll get the value of x as 1 and the value of y is also 1. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just write it down.